Welcome to the Sales Lab.
So if we had to, if you had to kind of boil it down, what is technical sales in your experience?
Yeah, I mean, I really go back to my earlier days, and depending on who you're talking to, from supply chain, engineering, product line management, and their level of experience with what they're trying to accomplish. I mean, ultimately, you're taking products and conveying that information at the right level of understanding to the customer. I think that's the key part of it. Is you have really technical people, right? And you've got people that require lower levels of, hey, I got this product, can you process it? Can you meet the performance? And I need something like this, right? All the way to, hey, I'm designing this. And I've got these specific gaps in my new product that I'm trying to develop. Help me with these performance parameters. So the very level of support that you provide really is what technical sales today is. And that really goes back to what you said. You've got somebody who's got to go in and be the bridge to understand enough to possibly bring the next level of person or be able to offer a solution. And I think that's really what the value is. I'm passionate about the fact that, customers, look to companies like us to help solve a problem and make something better. I use that, cheeseburger analogy, but, we're dealing with wireless telecommunication companies, two-way radio companies that really are, first responders, right? 911. So these connectivity stuff that we make, the electronic parts, the finished products, the subsystem stuff, it all keeps, those things in line with communication, performance, allows you to pick up your phone when you got an emergency, call somebody and know that somebody's going to pick up and send you an ambulance or police or first responders along the way to help you. And that's really where I think, technical people can really become valuable, is to help make those systems, those solutions and applications perform better than ever. And, today, the switch in technology is much more violent. If you look at data center, if you look at any other industry today, communication, what doesn't use internet, right? Like what field doesn't use internet today? And what field doesn't use some way cellular service, right? So it's really critical. And the speeds, the amount of autonomous vehicles. I mean, you think about technology shifts from going from a few years ago, they were dealing with transceivers that were, less than 100 gig. Today, that technology between 400 gig, 800 gig, and even 800 gig to 1.6 gig solutions are happening like in 6-month windows with all the stuff with AI and the evolution. It's amazing. I mean, I think it's a fun time for, people to build their career in technical sales, just because there's just so much opportunity, so much learning that's happening, so much growth, and really a greater need for those kind of talents.